When dealing with a residential water heater, understanding the correct overcurrent protection is crucial. Consider a standard 4,500 watt electric water heater operating at 240 volts. This results in a current draw of 18.75 amps. It's important to consider the continuous load requirement as specified in the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC mandates that continuous loads must be figured at 125% of their rated capacity when determining feeder and branch circuit sizing. Applying this to the water heater, we multiply 18.75 amps by 125%, which equals 23.44 amps. Therefore, a 20 amp circuit cannot adequately supply the required 23.44 amps without the risk of overloading. This calculation clearly indicates that a 25 amp circuit is necessary to handle the continuous load of the water heater. Using a 30 amp breaker instead of the required 25 amp breaker is not advisable. Firstly, it could lead to wire overheating. Secondly, it poses potential fire hazards. While a number 10 American wire gauge, or AUG, wire is rated for a maximum of 30 amps, the breaker's purpose is to protect the wire from overloading. A 25 amp breaker provides sufficient protection for the number 10 AWG wire in the scenario, ensuring the circuit operates safely within its limits. Using a 30 amp circuit with a number 10 AWG wire for a 4,500 watt electric water heater is a violation of the NEC. The code prioritizes safety and proper circuit protection to prevent electrical hazards. Always adhere to the NEC guidelines when sizing breakers and wiring for electrical appliances, especially those that operate as continuous loads.